we go. We are trying something new because it was on clearance. You know, what did clearance ever do to anyone to have everything put on top of it? But no, this is a full draw, vanilla flavored, whitetail attractant by MOSSY Oak Biological. It was on clearance, so we're trying it out this year, see if it's worth anything. And if it is, we'll be using it next season. Actually, we'll be using it throughout the year. I already poured some on the ground. It's actually almost like, it's actually not as thick as motor oil. It's actually like brake fluid. That's what it looks like. That's brake fluid. Brake fluid. And it beads up. There'll be a dead there. Brought to you by Full Draw. Actually, not really.
No, it looks like vanilla extract.
But it don't smell as strong as vanilla extract. So there you go. That's what we're trying out. And see how it works. It's definitely really oily.
There you go. So you can see the little line. It ain't like pig out or buck jam. That comes out on the ground. It's real oily.
It's like brake oil. See how the wind catches it? I can smell the vanilla now.
Now lay in it. One more time.
You don't have to be lonely at corn piles only. Smoky Oak.